So I want to make a rattle can shaker because I have tons of cans all the time that I end up using. And I have this old Grizzly drill, which was cordless at the time, and it's about 12 years old. Had a horrible design for connecting the bits to it. Right in here. You had to put this little teeny screw into that. So what I did was I took a aerosol can sprayer that you use for wasp nest from a distance. Put this onto a blade. Cut the blade so it'll fit into this jigsaw down in here. But the problem is this jigsaw, even with the old battery, it goes way too fast shaking. So it's like this. So I'm going to end up taking a 12 volt charger, connecting it directly, because originally it was 14 volts. But this is 12 volts and with a lower ampage. So to slow it down, I'm going to hook it up into that. So that's the plan. To connect the 12 volt charger, I'm going to end up soldering directly into these. And put some type of coating on it so they can't contact each other. So it's all mounted inside a box. On the bottom of the box I have some rubbery stuff that prevents it from jumping around. I'm throwing in some insulation just for sound, and hopefully it won't get too hot. Then I'll put covers on this. And I wired in a switch. I made these quick covers out of this old paneling and cut a groove just so it matches. It pops on like this. Okay, time to test it. Seems like it works perfect.